Welcome back to the UltFone channel. Recently, I found that the iPhone 11 might get stuck on a black screen and become unresponsive when entering recovery mode after upgrading to iOS 27, which could indicate a system problem. If your iPhone 11 is having the same issue, stuck in recovery mode and unresponsive, and you want to exit without losing data, don't worry. This video will guide you on how to solve it. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. First, you can try the simplest method of force restart of your iPhone. Follow these steps. Press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. As you can see, if it's still stuck on a black screen, don't worry, we can try the next method. Method 2. Fix iPhone using Apple device. This method requires a computer. First, connect your iPhone to the computer and open the Apple device. Or you can use iTunes or Finder. At this point, it will show that your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. You can choose to restore and continue, and wait for the iPhone to download the firmware and restore. However, please note this will reset your iPhone. If you don't want to lose data, I recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair, which is a more efficient, safe, and data-preserving method. Method 3. Fix iPhone using UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair can exit recovery mode with just one click without any firmware. It can also fix over 150 iOS system issues without losing data. A download link is provided in the description. To fix your iPhone, first connect it to the computer. Launch UltFone and then click Exit Recovery Mode at the bottom left of the interface. Yes, with just one click, you can quickly solve the problem of your iPhone being stuck in recovery mode. The operation is very simple, efficient, and safe. Method 4. Repair the iOS system. If you are still experiencing other issues, you might also consider using UltFone's System Repair feature, which won't cause any data loss. Go back to UltFone, click the green Start button, select Standard Mode, and then click the green button to continue. UltFone will get the latest firmware for your iPhone, and you can choose where to save the firmware. After confirming, click Download to continue. Once the download is complete, UltFone will start fixing it. The repair process for the iPhone usually takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient and keep your iPhone connected. When you see standard repair completed, it means your iPhone has been successfully repaired. These methods should be able to solve most issues that require fixing. We hope one of these methods can help you get out of iPhone recovery mode. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to our channel for more tips and methods. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.